Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure the device is ready. Plug in or keep battery above 20% and connect to Wi-Fi. Once done, navigate to Settings and go straight to Apps Management or the Platform Store app. You do this because auto updates can fail on low power or metered networks. Now that you're in the right menu, locate the Auto Update or Update Apps option. This first actionable step prepares the system to change behavior without waiting. You enable Auto Update by toggling the global switch or opening each app's page to allow automatic updates per app. This gives you control over critical apps. Make sure to pick Wi-Fi only if you want to save mobile data, or allow mobile updates if you need instant fixes. Once enabled, adjust timing or battery restrictions so updates run during idle hours. You do this because scheduled, unrestricted updates reduce interruptions. You finish by confirming settings took effect. Check each app's last update date and ensure you have sufficient storage. Aim for at least 100 MB free. Then restart your device to apply changes. If an app still won't update, make sure to force stop the store app, clear its cache, and sign out then back in. That often resolves permission or sync errors. One troubleshooting tip: if updates keep failing, check your account payment methods and background data limits, because those commonly block automatic installs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.